12,000 years ago, long before the pyramids rose over the sands of Egypt, long before Stonehenge stood in the mist of ancient Britain, and long before humanity even dreamed of writing down its thoughts, a group of hunter-gatherers climbed a lonely hill in southeastern Anatolia. And there, on a barren landscape untouched by civilization, they built something extraordinary. This place would one day be called Gobekli Tepe, the Belly Hill. But for more than 10 millennia, it lay buried beneath layers of earth, hidden from the world, like a secret waiting for the right moment to be revealed. When archaeologists uncovered its towering stone pillars in the 1990s, nothing prepared them for what they were about to find. This was not a simple settlement. It was not a village. And it was certainly not the work of primitive nomads. This was something else. Massive T-shaped monoliths, each weighing up to 10 tons, arranged in perfect circular enclosures. Intricate carvings of animals, snarling lions, coiled snakes, stalking foxes, elegant cranes, and deadly scorpions. Symbols that seem to whisper forgotten stories. Of fears, of beliefs, of a world where nature was both friend and enemy. But there is something even stranger. Göbekli Tepe was built 6,000 years before the invention of the wheel, 7,000 years before the first cities, and twice as old as the oldest known temples. It should not exist. According to everything we thought we knew, it could not exist. Humanity, at that time, was supposed to be scattered in small groups, surviving day to day. And yet, these people gathered here, hundreds of them, to carve stone, to engineer architecture, and to create the world's earliest known sacred monument. This site suggests a radical idea. Religion didn't come after farming. Farming may have come after religion. Perhaps people first gathered to worship, and only later learned to settle, plant, and build. But Göbekli Tepe's greatest mystery is not its age, not its carvings, not even its size. It is the fact that, after more than 1,000 years of use, the people who built it did something unthinkable. They buried it deliberately, carefully, completely. They filled its enclosures with tons of soil, stone, and debris, as if sealing a tomb, as if saying goodbye to an age we can no longer imagine. Why would a society bury its greatest creation? Was it a ritual of closure, a spiritual transformation, a shift in ideology? Or were they protecting it from something? A threat, a disaster, a new world rising around them? We don't know. Not yet. Excavations today have revealed only 5% of the entire site. 95% remains hidden beneath the ground, untouched for 12,000 years. What lies below? More pillars? More symbols? More answers? Or more questions? Every stone uncovered at Göbekli Tepe challenges what we thought we understood about human origins. It suggests that our ancestors were not simple wanderers, but thinkers, artists, builders, capable of imagination, cooperation, and belief on a scale previously unimaginable. And with each discovery, the story becomes clearer. Human civilization may not have begun in the fertile river valleys, but on a windswept hill in ancient Anatolia, where people gathered under the stars, carved their fears and dreams into stone, and created the world's first known temple. Göbekli Tepe is not just an archaeological site. It is a message from the deep past, a reminder that the roots of humanity go far deeper than we ever imagined. And as the earth slowly gives up its secrets, one thing becomes certain. History is far older, far stranger, and far more mysterious than we ever believed.